everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe. Cool car, guys. A lot of money spent on this car. I apologize, we're shooting the video inside, but Mother Nature's just not cooperating. We're getting pelted with snow, so we're going to shoot it in the building. Really cool color combination. It's Wimbledon white and a Viking blue metallic. Like I say, really nicely done car. It's got a good running 302 roller engine underneath the hood. It's got a rack and pinion power steering unit on it. A lot of money spent on this car, and all the documentation for the restoration is actually in the trunk. Got a cool set of 15-inch rocket wheels. Again, disc brakes, adjustable coilovers on the front. Fun car to drive. Definitely couldn't build this car for what we're asking for it. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. You can see they've updated it to the halo headlights. Those are pretty cool. Grill's in really nice shape. Car's only got 600 miles on it. And it's actually always been stored in climate control environment. And like I say, just a pretty car. Tinted glass. You can see how nice that trim is. Yeah, if you're a Ford guy and don't want a Mustang, you want something different, somebody's gonna love this car. Look how nice that stuff is. Love these tail lights. I don't know if you can see the snow through the glass up there, but we are getting pelted. New bumpers. I mean, they did a really nice job when they built this car. A neat little set of rocket wheels on it. Front disc brakes. Again, it got adjustable coilovers on the front. Power rack and pinion steering unit. The whole suspension's done in polyurethane bushings too. Nice little 302 roller in it. Holley dual feed performance. 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake. You can see the aluminum radiator with electric fan. Power disc brakes. This thing is nicely done. So you've got ceramic coated exhaust manifolds on it. Pretty car. It's a little nicer shooting videos in here. It's a little quieter. Man, I like the cars out in a natural light. You see them better, in my opinion. You can see how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Mirror's nice. Door handles have definitely been replaced. The door tag is in there. Door seams are nice and clean. New sill plates. I don't know how easy it's going to be to see in here, but bucket seats. It's got a custom steering wheel in it, B&M shifter. It's got all custom, I need the keys for the light. The dash got a Dakota gauge cluster in it. Sound system is in the glove box. You can see the dash is nice. Headliner's nice. Magnaflow dual exhaust. It's got 9-inch 350 traction lock rear axle. Again, it's got one of those Wazoo sound systems in it, so factory jack with spare is in here. And again, here's all the paperwork on the restoration, which is pretty cool. Everything opens and closes nice. Car really drives great. See up here, but as always, there'll be photos be underneath on our website. Door pads are really nice. And seats have been all repadded, refoamed. Yeah, nice job on this car. Getting the radios all in here. And that all works. B&M ratchet shifter. Neat car, man. It will run. Yeah, it's got all aftermarket dash in it. 619 miles on it, tack works. It's got some blue lights underneath the dash, which is pretty cool. Great sound. Again, radio's all in here. Lower motor work. I know that switch underneath the dash is for your radar. Lower motor's kicking on. It actually might be that under there. There's a couple switches underneath the dash too. One's for the electric fan, and then just flip one of them in there. Red lights work. Hit this one again, Nathan. I don't know if I got that right turn. Hit that turn signal a bit. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.